students, my name is Insha and you are watching IELTS Anika. आज मैं आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ latest cue cards with vocabulary. Before starting the video, please subscribe our channel for more latest videos on IELTS and do check our Facebook page for online classes. So let's start. Today's topic is describe the time when you were cheated, when someone lied to you or someone did not tell you the complete truth. What the situation was when this happened, who was the person, what did he hide about, why do you think the person didn't tell the whole truth. In my life there have been many events when someone lied to me or cheated me, and here I am going to explain the latest incident that happened with me. 2 months ago, when I was thinking about installing fibre in my home, I filled an online form on this portal. On the very next day, their sales representative came to my home for verification, and luckily he was a friend of my younger brother. I felt jubilant because I thought it would be easy for us to get a new connection. He did all the verifications and I paid for the connection online. Afterwards, he assured us that we will get a new connection within 2 days, which was awesome news for us. Consequently, the next day, engineers team came to our house for the installment. But because of non-availability of fibre slots, our connection was deferred. In that case, they had to install new box over the next pole, but it would have taken at least 2 weeks. I was furious with the sales representative as he knew this thing, but he hid this information from us. Then I called his manager and told him the whole scenario. Within 20 minutes, the salesperson called me and he started apologizing to me. He narrated the whole story why he did this. Basically, he had to accomplish his monthly sales target, which was 1 customer short, and sadly that day was the month's last day. After hearing his story, I forgave him, and in return he promised me that he will contact to the concerned person and we will get our connection within a week. At last, in a week, we got our service. So that was the last time when I got cheated or someone lied to me. Okay? Now let's move on to vocabulary. The first word is jubilant. Jubilant means happy. Okay, very happy. Next one is deferred. Deferred means postponed. कुछ आपने postpone कर लिया हो, right? And the next one is furious. Furious का मतलब होता है angry. ठीक है, मैं बहुत angry थी उससे, तो I was furious. I was angry with the sales representative. Okay, do like and subscribe our channel, guys, and keep watching IELTS Anika. Thank you.